Hi coders, welcome back to my channel. Today is our day 5 of the series Code Every Day. I have already uploaded the previous videos. Y'all can have a look at them. Today we will see if-else statement. Okay. Let us quickly go to the system. Here we are back to our system. The previous day we have seen string concatenation. So today we will have a look on the if-else statement. How these conditional statements get executed. Okay, let me quickly create a new class. Right click on this src folder, click on new, go to the Java class and name it as Code Everyday 005. Here our class is ready. Following this, we'll write the main method public static void main string args and the curly braces. Okay, we will take two numbers from the user and see which one is greater among the two numbers. Okay, so let us take a scanner class object. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. For this we need to import the java.util package, that is import java.util.scanner. Okay, we'll take two numbers. Let the numbers be as int a equals to sc.nextInt and our next number be as int b equals to sc.nextInt. Here we'll start with the if-else statement. Firstly, we'll write the condition if our first number is greater than the second number. If a is greater than b, then print system.out.println the greater number is a. Okay, and now if this condition is not satisfied, then we'll include the else statement. This else statement will get executed if our first condition is not satisfied. Like if our number a is not greater than b, then this else statement will get executed, that is system.out.println the greater number is b. Now let us run this program. Let me take my first number as 55 and my second number as 78 and enter. See, the greater number is 78. Okay. If this condition is not satisfied, then the else statement gets executed. That's all for today. Bye-bye and have a good day.